Hey, this is Snow Creek Homestead. Well, we're a day after that snowstorm, ice storm on, I believe that's February 3rd. Today's Friday, day after. I did a little plowing on the driveway today, and it looks like we got, I'm going to say, close to 6 inches. And then we got a couple inches of ice, uh, maybe slash sleet. Uh, it wasn't all, mostly sleet because I guess if we had that much ice, we'd be electric outage. But we don't have any of that problem. It's just driveway's slick, all the hills are slick. Get that layer of that packed in sleet. So uh, today we're going to uh, look at some uh, skidders I made for my blade on my tractor. My It's a straight blade on the tractor, and I'll show you these skidders. We're here to make you more resilient every day. Try to learn how to do things to make your life less brittle, less impacted by others. So I'll start the tractor up and move it out here in the sunlight because I don't think we can see it, and I'll show you these skidders, and we'll go from there. Oh, I got I think it's an '08 Kubota diesel. Um, I'm just going to kind of start from scratch here. Like a lot of people know about diesels, a lot of people know about a lot of things I talk about, but hopefully we can gain a little bit of knowledge here and there. But so diesel's got a glow plug. I turn my key till I see the glow light, and I hold it for about 10 seconds, and then we'll start it up. Just saying that way you ain't sit there cranking and cranking if you ever get onto a tractor. So let's start this up, and I'll show you these skidder plates I made. I hold it for about 10 seconds, and then we'll fire it up. So here we are out here. I got the tractor pulled out so we can see these things a little bit better. So this is my skidder plates I made. Let's put them on a straight blade, drag behind the tractor. It's got a flat bottom. It's got probably some 45s on the ends. That way you don't get out there and do any digging. The goal on this dude is to not drag up all your gravel. You know, in the spring you'll come out there with your piles of snow and you'll see these piles of gravel out there where you scraped it off your driveway. You know, we don't do that here. We're not gonna scrape our gravel off. We're gonna keep it on the driveway. So what this is doing, it's probably leaving a 1/4 inch of snow on, or as of today, we got that ice on there. So if I took them off, I'd probably be able to drag up more ice and such, but I don't see a real benefit to it, and I believe I'll just be spinning out. So I got one plate on each side. I got one over here just to kind of make it. Yeah, there it is. So just so you drag out, even if you're humped up in the middle a little bit, it might drag the middle of the driveway a touch, but it seems to work pretty good. I've made these quite a few years ago, and I've made them for the front bucket before too. I don't like them on my front bucket as well, because I use my front bucket maybe to get down on I got some concrete in front of my garage doors. I can take that bucket, and I don't care to back drag that bucket across that concrete a little bit, get that up there. So that's what we're doing here. Just trying to stay warm. It's 18 degrees. You know, Indiana is kind of a cold state in the wintertime a lot of times, but we've been dodging the bullet quite a bit here this year. So I got all the livestock fed. So got my chickens out there fed. When I drug the drive, I fed the chickens on it. That way, give them a place to find that food. I'll take a quick shot of the chickens. Let me pause this a minute. So the chickens are pretty happy. They got their feed. They got a pretty good mixture. I just walked down through there and kind of spread it on top of the on the ice there. So we'll walk down there and check out the goats a minute. They've already been fed for the day. I do feed a little grain. I think we talked about that before. And so they're all in pretty good condition. We have a round bell in the barn for them to get to, and there's a few out here eating on this bell. It's outside. We are getting about 6 weeks out probably before we have start kidding. Hopefully have a good kidding season. So I'm getting ready to give them, I give them a CDT shot about, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks out before kidding. So when next time it warms up, we'll give them some shots. And that'll really be all I do to them. I give them a little grain, about a 1/4 pound a piece. I keep them full hay. So this is what snow looks like out here. So it ain't super bad. It's just got some ice under it. So hey, I guess that's all we need to talk about here on this cold winter day. So I may throw a shot in of me plowing. I shot a video earlier when I plowed the first time down the driveway. I might add it to the end of this. But hey, I appreciate you listening, and make your life more self-sufficient, less brittle. That's our goal. We're going to try to become a lot stronger. We're going to work on these hard skills. This little skidder plate is one of the little skills I think is a good one, because you ain't got to go buy gravel again. Hey, this is Snell Creek Homestead out.